how it detects that robot, right? And then it avoids it. Ah! Roborock S8. That 7 was like literally the biggest hit on Geekbuying. We sold like thousands of pieces in just one day. 3D obstacle avoidance, sonic mopping, DuoRoller Brush, precision navigation. Multi-language menu, quick guide, mop, nothing. Charging base. Finally, the Roborock S8. Ooh, check out! That's what we all got from the box. Alright, now let's take a look at the design. You know, it has the same design language as its predecessor. Elegant, beautiful, rugged, whatever you describe with it. So open it, the dust bin, you know, with the HEPA filter. At the top, we have 3 keys: home key, power key, and the area cleaning key. So here we can see some reminder. Reactive 3D. Remove this sticker before use, otherwise docking will be affected. Okay, we have to remove this sensor, the front bumper, water tank. You can easily install or take off. Ventilation. That's basically the front. An omnidirectional wheel, 2 main wheels, a side brush, charging contacts, and the biggest upgrade is the dual brush. It has 2, so it must be efficient when cleaning different rubbish. What do you think? One is with this port and one is with this. So that's the unboxing, the first look at the Roborock S8. Stick them firmly to the ground. Then we connect it to the power source. The indicator lights up. And from my experience, it's always good to, make this mop wet, but not too wet.
Charging.
Alright, it's charging now. Here, the home page. Here we press the settings. We can see the manage maps. Here, map 7, I guess I will turn that on because it will be much more efficient. Single level, you can even do a multi-level, mapping. And mapping is one of the big things, one of the upgrades from the S8. So, schedules, you can even schedule a cleaning. Reactive obstacle avoidance. Like for this generation, it has much finer, much better obstacle avoidance. Less collision mode, pet details. You can even add pet details. Corporate settings, deep corporate cleaning, rise, avoid, ignore. So it has so many choices. It's so detailed. Robot voice. You can even choose different languages and change just the volume here. So many languages. Robot settings, chat lock. There is some chat lock here, just to prevent interference with the remote keys. And the DND mode, do not disturb mode, off-peak charging. Off-peak charging. Wow, it even has that because for some countries the rate's different. Remote control, you can even use it as a toy. So yeah, that's basically all of the settings. Here, rooms, we have zones, and here we can change the suction power. Like this is the weakest one and balanced, and this is the strongest one, I guess. Okay. We just change it to the moderate one. Scrub intensity, you can scrub it. And root standard. Mop, you can change the mop for the you can change the settings for the mop. Vacuum and customize. Wow, the app It's like so detailed, right? And you can even set the no-go zone, edit room, edit furniture. It's like, wow. And map details. I think this is like the most detailed vacuum cleaner app I've ever seen. Alright, now I'm gonna test the mapping ability. As you can see, my room is a little bit messy. Desk there, chair there, carpet there. You know, very complicated. So let's start cleaning, shall we? As you can see, the mop has left, right?
Returning to dock.
Charging. Okay, that's it. Woohoo! In terms of cleaning ability, the Roborock S8's previous generations have already demonstrated such impressive performance that I wouldn't be surprised if it performs exceptionally well. During our testing, we threw all kinds of trash into the test area, such as liquids, solid waste like biscuits, even hair. It's an absolute mess in here. I think even the pigpen would look cleaner than this. However, as you can see, the Roborock S8 cleaned nearly all of the trash with these after just one cleaning session. The edge cleaning and the mop cleaning were also excellent, with only a few small pieces left around the carpet. Overall, the results have blown my mind. I would say it did a much better job than I could have done. The best part of the Roborock S8 is its dual brush design, which prevents hairs from tangling on the brush. This feature is perfect for pet owners. The results speak for themselves. In conclusion, if you are looking for the top-of-the-line robot vacuum cleaner, look no further than the Roborock S8. It is currently the most sophisticated, smartest, and easiest to use robot vacuum cleaner I've reviewed to date. And if you are interested in it, please check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.